Okay, so we're looking at proof here, and show that proof, same sort of thing really, but it says show that 2 brackets x plus 5 plus 4 brackets x plus 2 is a multiple of 6 for any integer value of x. So that basically means if I swap x for any number, I'm going to get a value of 6, sorry, a multiple of 6 out of there. So first thing you need to do is we need to expand the brackets. So let's expand the brackets. So that's 2x plus 10 plus 4x plus 8. And we're going to simplify. So 2x plus 4x is 6x. And 10 plus 8 is 18. Now then, this is the key bit, and this is the proof, or this is how we show that it's always going to be a value of 6. So I can factorise out 6. So ultimately what you're looking for is to factorise out the multiple of they give you here, in this case 6. Now, can't just leave it like that. You do have to write a sentence, any integer, okay, because x plus 3 is an integer, multiplied by 6 is a multiple of 6. Fairly obvious that, but there you go. So that's that. Now then, next thing is a little bit harder. It says prove that the sum of 2 consecutive odd numbers is a multiple of 4. Now we've got to be careful about how we write odd numbers. Okay, so an odd number is basically one more or one less than an even number, isn't it? Okay, so we can't just use n because that's any number. That could be odd or even. So if we now know that an even number, okay, an even number is always in a 2 times table. In algebra, we write that like that. Okay, so that's fairly obvious. So therefore, an odd number, okay, is going to be 2n. I'm going to choose plus 1. I could choose minus 1. That's fine. And then it says consecutive. Now consecutive means we want 1, then the next one. So the next one after that is going to be that. Okay, because 2n plus 2 would be an even number, of course, and so therefore 2n plus 3 is going to be the next one. Okay, now it says, we've got important word here, sum. Now sum, you should know, means we add them up. And so when we add them up, we get 4n plus 4. And that can be factorised to give this. Alright, and then we're going to write a similar sentence to the one we did here, any integer. Okay, and you have to write this, multiplied by 4 is a multiple of 4. And I'm being a bit lazy there, but only because I'm running out of room. Alright, so just a couple of things to be careful about there. This over here, this stuff here, is that's fairly straightforward. Just multiply the brackets and look for the property they're asking you to look for. This one here, however, is a little bit tricky. You've got to think about words like consecutive, words like odd and even numbers. Okay, just be a little bit careful about how you set them out. Think about what they're trying to get you to do.